Today is a pleasant Labor Day, Monday, September 2nd, 2024. In the USA, it's LABOR Day. In Canada, it's LABOUR Day. So happy Labor Day to my American and Canadian friends. Approaching now is 6012, Jamaica Montauk. He'll have a nice K5 LLA horn on the front. 413 is the engine number, as we're in Islip. And we're going to get some of the Labor Day action on the Montauk branch. Some of these trains will be making their last runs. Not this one, though. His rear engine is 405. That has a good horn too. One of the best K5 LAs on the railroad. He'll be coming back west on a later train today. 134 approaching westbound is a monster train. 6005 Montauk to Jamaica. This train runs with 12 cars. It's often the most crowded train that comes out of Montauk and the Hamptons. We moved up to the central branch. We're at the Grand Avenue crossing in Lindenhurst, the far end of town. 412, we're going to get 6007 westbound Montauk to Jamaica. He's going to have another 12-car consist. Here he comes. Time is 4:13 p.m. The gates are going down at Grand Avenue at 440. Approaching westbound is train 6009, Southampton to Jamaica, and he is making his last run today. Time is 6:11 p.m. with the hamlet of Brightwaters west of Bayshore. Time to catch train 6013 Montauk to Jamaica. He is making his final run tonight. You can hear him blasting his horn through Bayshore and all the railroad crossings. At 6:50, we're at the Grant Avenue crossing west of Islip Station. Gonna get a westbound. There were actually several westbounds that'll have real good engines on the west end. This is 6043 Spionk, Jamaica with 521 K5 LLA. It's coming into Islip Station now. Hear that music? 710, that's 6015 Montauk, Jamaica, with DE30AC 405 on the point, with one of the best K5 LAs on the railroad. That's a beautiful horn. It's 7:30 p.m. here at Great River, and beautiful twilight. Just a glorious evening. We're going to have a nice stretch of weather the next several days. 70s by day and 50s at night, just the way I like it. Beautiful Labor Day. After a hot summer, this is a nice reward, although August wasn't quite as hot as July. All right, approaching westbound at 8:04 is train 6017 en route from Montauk to Penn Station. He'll be running through Columbus Day weekend, and he'll have another good engine, 504 K5 LLA horn on the point. Time is 9:35 p.m. Catch one more westbound coming out of Montauk. We've been blessed with some great horns on these westbounds, and this one is no exception. 6019 runs from Montauk to Jamaica. His leader will be DM30AC 518. It's got the best K5 LA in the business on this railroad. I've heard better.